Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So I just want to greet you. If it's your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you are not the first time here, I am still welcoming you to my channel. So today you guys, I always want to try out these powder. I can get them from here, but they're gonna be more pricey for me. So I always have this friend in the state that I would send me stuff whenever I need it from Juvia's place. And you know who you are, my friend. I just want to say thank you so much. God bless you. You know I love you as always, my friend. You're always there for me. So we have the Juvia's place powder foundation today, you guys, and I have mine in tan 1 and it's all magic. So this is what I'm going to try out on my face. This is just the box, but you know, so let's do this. So it come into this package here, you guys, and then it also have a mirror, a small mirror down here, and then it also come with a sponge, which is really good that they have the sponge, so you can just use this sponge to hit. So this is the sponge that it come in here. So I already prime my face. So you guys, I am going to try out this today and see how it look on the face. This is it. I already sort of playing it a little bit, but not really like doing something. So let's do this, you guys. So I'm gonna use this sponge. I'm gonna use one side of this sponge, and I'm going to just put the powder like this, and then just apply it to my forehead. And this is in my complexion. It is very light. I know I just started to put it on, but you guys, it is so light on the face. This is something that, you know, if you don't like a lot of makeup, like you're going out in the morning to work or somewhere, or you don't like a lot of makeup, you can just apply this to your face and just go, like, you know, it's just really nice and light on the face. So when I saw these come out, like when they on sale, I prefer to get them on sale than when they are not on sale, because when they on sale it's a little bit affordable, because you know in Juvia's place come out with with any type of makeup product. I just don't buy it at the same time. I always try to get it after a while, because you know after a while they always have sale and their thing. I have one friend here that come up this morning. Yeah. So I like to get it when it's on sale. And you can see how light this does look on my face, and it also looks beautiful on the skin, you guys. Like very beautiful it look on the skin. So I like to really try out their product, like their eyeshadow. I love their eyeshadow. The primer is amazing for me, and now I'm trying out the powder, and I also gonna do a video on the foundation that I also got. I don't really like buy a lot of makeup nowadays, but and because I go out today, it's easy for me to do this, because you know, look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is so pretty on the face. Like, sometimes you're going out and you don't want to wear foundation. This is just something that would really look nice on the face. Like, you know, to just go out with on your face. Look at this. This is so pretty, my friend. So pretty. I have a friend here. Yeah, I do have a friend. So I am going to just bronze up my face right now. Put a bit of bronzer, which is from L'Oreal. You guys, I love this bronzer. I'm telling you, I really do love this bronzer. It's really a pretty bronzer for me. They have the powder in it, but I love the bronzer. The bronzer is just really nice. It's cool. It's a matte bronzer. Yeah, it's a really of a nice bronzer, and I like to always make sure that I does apply it to my face. Very beautiful, the color of it. But you can see how this look is like. I don't need a lot, so I am also going to do apply a little bit of this thing here, which is from elf. It's just a highlighter. I am just going to apply a bit of highlighter to my cheek. Whoops. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god, look at this. This is really, oh wow. I think I did. Oh my, it's like, so I'm just gonna put some more powder over it, over the highlighter, to tone down the highlighter a bit here. That's my ACU, guys. You hear going on there. So I'm toning down the highlighter on my cheek because it's a bit too much hair. But I do like this. So you guys, I'm gonna come back. So guys, I'm back. This is really a very nice foundation powder here. It feels really light on the skin. It's look natural. So if you don't like a lot of makeup, I think this is something that would suit you. I love it, and I think it's really of a nice powder foundation. My skin, it make my skin look really, really cool and natural. So I just want to say thank you again, you guys. Hope you do enjoy this video. And if you see me in the same clothes, I'm doing 2 videos in one day. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.